My name is Serafina Ottley. I go to Hampton University. I'm a rising junior and I'm a psychology pre-med major. So in this lab, it's a sleep lab, pediatric sleep lab, and we mostly go over sleep and memory. We have 3 different studies right now, but I'm specifically looking at 2 of them, one that is with and without depression, and then one with OSA, which is obstructive sleep apnea. And I'm looking at demographics, so race and income, and how that is with children who are minorities, and if they also have irregular sleep patterns and how that also affects their daily mental health. So I'm most interested in looking at if socioculturally diverse children who also have irregular sleep patterns translate to if they also have worsening mental health in their daily life. I'm most interested in that because, like I said, in the future, I want to work with underrepresented communities and specifically children. So learning about their sleep patterns now and if that associates with their mental health disorders in their daily life is very interesting to me. I'm looking forward to putting all the data into code to actually see how that's going to work and making my own graphs and charts. I think that's really cool to see like the transition between all the data from Excel and then putting it into the code to finally like see if everything comes together in the end.
My name's Katharine Simon, and I'm an assistant professor here in the Department of Pediatrics in the medical school. And I'm also the assistant director of research in pediatric sleep at Children's Hospital Orange County. My lab's name is Sleep, Learning, and Emotions in Pediatrics. And the goal of my lab is to really understand the role of sleep across development and how it plays a role in mental health trajectories or cognitive trajectories, and how they're all kind of working together across those first 2 decades of life. The goal of my summer scholar, who is Serafina, and her time in the lab is to really understand pediatric sleep and how it changes across the first 2 decades of life, and how it also changes in some of our pediatric patient populations, because we know that kids who have some type of acute or chronic disease may have impacts on their sleep. And so understanding how those impacts on sleep also impact mental health and cognition is really the key of what she's working on this summer.